how much tax can a person pay and how much money can a person earn with a certain income after the tax is deducted. So let's see. The first question is asking us to calculate the tax charged on someone called Shaka. And for us to calculate the tax, the first thing we are supposed to calculate is the taxable income. Now, taxable income is given by the basic salary, BS, plus all the allowance. In this case, the basic salary of Shaka is 28,600 plus an allowance of 15,000 plus 3,200 plus 540. This will give us 47,340. Now we are going to take this amount and subdivide into bands or slabs. The first slab is given by the table, which is 9680. So we are going to subdivide this amount into small amount and tax them in that order or in that manner. So for example, the first amount you're going to tax that the table has given us is 9680, and in this 9680 the tax is 10%. So on the right side you are given the tax rate percentage in each shilling. So we are going to multiply the tax rate, which is 10%. That is the same as 10 over 100, and the tax will be 968. Now for us to get the second amount, we are going to deduct 9680 and 18800, which is the second slab or the second row, and that gives us 9120. Then we multiply the tax rate, which is 1500. That will give us 1368. Then we proceed to the third bracket, which is the same as subtracting 27,920 and 18,800. Still it will give us 920. We multiply the third percentage, which is 20%, and this will give us 1824. We go to the next bracket, and now for us to know the next amount you're going to tax, we subtract 37,040 and 27,920, and this will still give us 99120, and we multiply the fourth percentage, which is 25 over 100. So this will give us also 2280. At this point, we will need to know the amount of money that is remaining out of 47,340. So far, we have taxed 9680, 9120, 9120, 9120. So we need to know how much is remaining for that. We are going to add all this amount, which is the same as 9680 plus 9120 times 3. This will give us 37,040, and we subtract from 47,340. So 47,340 minus 37,040, this will give us 10,300. So we're going to take this 10,300 and tax in the final bracket, and that will be 10,300 multiplied by the last percentage, which is 30%, and this will give us, we're going to add the amount on the right side, 968, 1368. When you add them together, we get an amount equivalent to 9530. But this amount is normally called gross tax. And now gross tax is not the final amount a person pays as tax. We're going to deduct a money we call the tax relief, and Shaka was awarded a monthly tax relief of 1056. So 9530 minus 1056 will give us 4. The second question is asking us to get the net income. The net income. So the net income is equivalent to the taxable income minus all deductions. So first of all, we know the taxable income already, which is the same as 47,340, but what you don't know is all deductions. So all deductions is the payee or the tax a person pays plus the other deductions, and therefore the payee we already know, that is, and then we add the other deductions. Include, you're told that this, apart from the income tax, the following monthly deductions are made: a health insurance of 500, so we add that 5. Education insurance of 1200, we add that 1200. Then you are told 2% of basic salary, that is the same as 2% of 28,600. So this will give us a total amount of 10,746. So the net income is equivalent to the taxable income, which is 47,340. Then we subtract the total deductions, all deductions, which is equivalent to 10,746, and that gives us